Here at Waterborne Environmental, we've been using ISCO Autosamplers for over 25 years, and along the way we've learned some tips, tricks, and best practices to minimize the downtime for our sampling sites. At every site visit, we evaluate the condition of the intake line, starting at the collection point, and follow it up to where the intake line meets the autosampler housing. And what we're looking for are any obstructions, any kinks, any cracks, or anything that could introduce an error into our sample. Once we've assessed that condition, we then look inside the autosampler housing and we verify that the rollers inside will not damage the intake line during sampling and that there aren't any pinch points within the housing itself. And we follow that through and look at the connection where the intake line meets the base and make sure that's still tight and secure. Then we go to collect our samples, and while we're doing that, or shortly after we've collected samples, we investigate the condition of the distributor arm, and we make sure that that's still connected, that's in the right position, so that we make sure that the water is deposited in the correct bottle. Then after we've replaced the bottles for the next sampling event, we close it back up, making sure that all of the cables and the intake line are out of the way so we don't accidentally pinch them. And close everything back up, and we're ready to begin the next sampling event.